What's up, guys? Today we're doing the General Specific by Band of Horses. It's a great song, super excited to bring it to you. We got the capo on the first fret and we're using a pick. Let's get into it. Okay, so there's not a lot of parts to this song, it's just the verse and sometimes a little chorus at the end, and that's it. So, how does it start? We have an E major chord. Alright, technically because the capo's there, it's not a real E major chord, but to us, it is an E major chord. That's middle finger, second string, second fret, ring finger, third string, second fret, pointer finger, fourth string, first fret. Everything else is open, and for the strumming, we're just banging along, okay? So it's like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you can figure that out. It's not super hard. So one bar is 4 of those accented down. So this is 1 bar. Okay, so for the intro to this song, we're gonna do 2 bars. Got it? Cool. 2 bars, no singing. Then he starts singing, and we do another 2 bars on the E. So with the trials at hand, really getting you down. We had a close call. Okay, then we switch chords to a B. This is the hardest chord in the whole song. It sucks. I'm sorry, guys. This is how we do it. Pointer finger barring across the bottom 5 strings on the 2nd fret. Okay, and then you gotta do something to get this string, these strings on the 4th fret covered. So 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings covered. Now, some people, I do it like this. So you take your ring finger and you do a mini bar on them, but you can't touch. See how I'm touching that 6th string? So you have to try not to touch it. That's hard, okay? Some people, they put the 3 fingers here and then they have to bend up this guy. So see, it's starting to sound like it now. Okay, it's really hard. Figure out your own way of doing it. But that's those are 2 options for you. And we're gonna do that B for another 2 bars. So the trials at hand, really getting you down, 2 more bars. Then we switch to an A chord, which is easier. But it's again 3 fingers. We're hitting pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger, touching the 3rd, 4th, 5th strings on the 2nd fret. Alright. Really getting you down. You had a close call. Didn't even see you on another wall. 1 bar of the A. Okay? Then we go back to the E, and that's the close of our loop. And you start that again. Next verse. Okay, that's the whole verse, just those 3 chords. And you'll repeat that for the verses until we get to the end of the verse and we get to the chorus. So the first one is what I did in the demo there. So it's in December, what's going on? So just 2, so half a bar on the E. Oh, okay. So this new chord, we made it to the chorus now. This new chord is a G sharp chord. So to make it make sense for you guys, this is a G, right? We know that, most people do. That's because this note right here is our G bass note, okay? So you slide up 1 fret, and now it's a G sharp, because that's how music works. And then you bar your pointer finger across that fret, so that's gonna be the 4th fret, and we put our ring and pinky down on the 2nd and 3rd strings, 2 frets below that, which is the 6th. That's how we get our G sharp chord. Okay? So I think it's just 1 bar on that. So. Oh, it's just half. Okay, so half E. Back to A. Before. So half E, half G sharp, half A, to an F sharp, okay? Because you guys might know this is an F chord. Slide it up 1, do the thing, get the F sharp. Same deal. And we're just strumming that out. But before, back to our B, you, strumming it out, and me, back to A, boom. Start the next verse. So that should have covered everything. I hope this was pretty quick for you. mainly just figuring out that B chord, maybe the strumming a little bit, and switching these bar chords down here. But that's it. Then you can play the song, sing it, have a good time. If I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. Also, please put some suggestions in the comments. I'm running out of songs to do, so I'll do anything. So, yeah, have a great day.